Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna make a raspberry chicken salad. Let's get started. Okay, we have our thyme, parsley, we have basil, olive oil, lemon, salt, pepper, a little bit of garlic, a raspberry vinaigrette, cranberries here, these greens, walnuts, blackberries, strawberries, one apple, and one mango. And obviously we have our chicken here. We're gonna chop our thyme. We take the leaves out of there. Just gonna chop up a little bit of that, and also we're gonna get our basil here in a second. We're gonna chop it, and we're gonna add it to our bowl. Squeeze the lemons, 2 lemons. Oil goes in. Chopped garlic, salt, pepper. Of course, we're gonna add some salt, pepper to our chicken. We're gonna mix it really well. We're gonna pour it right on top of our chicken, both sides. There you go. We're gonna add our olive oil to our pan. Okay, we're gonna add our chicken to our pan. We're gonna cook it for a little bit, and then we're gonna start with cutting strawberries really fast. We're gonna add our strawberries to a bowl. We're gonna cut an apple. We're gonna chop it up a little. We're gonna add it to our bowl too. Our chicken is cooking. It's just ready to go. We're gonna set it aside, and we're gonna start peeling our mango. There we go. I'm gonna chop a little bit of that. We're gonna add it to our bowl. Okay, beautiful. Wow, that looks really good. We're gonna add our cranberries, walnuts. We're gonna add our mixed greens. Nice. We're gonna mix them together really well, and we get our chicken ready. We're gonna slice it, and then we're gonna chop it small pieces. Add it to our bowl. Beautiful. Yes. And also our dressing. Gonna mix it together. Nice, beautiful. We're gonna get our bowl. We're gonna put as much as we can of chicken. There we go. We're gonna add a strawberry around it. Garnish it with blackberries around. Okay guys, so this is it. A raspberry chicken salad. Look at that, wonderful. I'm gonna try it out. Get some chicken. Wow, the chicken is really tender. Amazing. There you go guys. Thank you so much for watching.